Hey everybody, it's Bobby G again, back with another SUPRS New UI tutorial. So right away you want to make sure you've loaded your game from your desktop using the shortcut that you've installed. Once you're there, you'll select your own car, but for this purpose we'll use the SUPRS house car. So you want to go racing right away, go across the top of the UI, look for the join arrows in the upper right hand corner. Highlight it so it's red, click it. Now you'll see the server list load, and you'll see server list, race series, track, people, and ping. This is how many people are in the server. The ping is the average ping to the server and back of all the people that are connected. That is not your personal ping to the server. So one of the ways a lot of guys people do it is they just keep hitting the recycle button here and keep turning these up. You can sort via the server list, via the race series. It's all alphabetical. But the easiest way to do it, in our opinion, is, and the way that we recommend, is that you come down here across the middle, click the IP, type in www.robssuprs.com. robssuprs.com, robssuprs.com. Click accept, and there you can see that the race is showing up, or our server is showing up. So you want to highlight that. Once you highlight it, come back down to the middle, look for the gold arrow. Always look for arrows, the gold arrows, and things that are highlighted in gold. That's kind of telling you it's okay to move on to the next thing. Before we do, just some real quick some tips of what you're seeing here. You see the SUPRS, the version of the game, fixed setups, no, fixed upgrades, no, forced driving view, none. This is basically all the stuff that we allow and don't allow. Over here are the rules that we're allowing. This tells you how much practice is left, how much time in practice, laps remaining, if there's a race going on, the damage multiplier, flag rules, and this is what we allow. Basically only auto clutch. Okay, so you're going to look over here for the gold arrow, click it, and this is where you enter your password. Right now the password is testing as we go through the tutorials. And then you would click OK. Now, if you for some reason don't type the password right and it comes back blank, or you get distracted and you don't type it in, you could time out. In that case, exit out of RFactor and then load it back up and try it again. But we should be okay here, so we'll click the OK button, and there we go. We're back to the screen where you can see your car on the spinner. Once you do see that, again, look for the gold arrow button. Click it. And you load into the race server, and you're good to go. So that's how you load in initially to the race server. But let's say that you want to make life a little bit easier for yourself. So again, you're at your main load screen. You click the join arrows next to the X out. You don't see it, right? Okay, well, let's put that IP back in. Bam. Now highlight it and click the bookmark arrows down. See how they're off and now they're on. Click it. Well, there you go. There's the SUPRS Race Server. And then each time you go to click the join, you can click and highlight that. And once it's highlighted blue, you highlight the race series and out of the server list till it's red, and then you click join. Enter your password, and you're good to go. And there you have it. That's how you join the SUPRS Race Server on race night. Don't forget to go to suprs.net to learn more about the new UI. And if you're not a member, become a member at suprs.net /join us. And you can see the links in this tutorial. And don't forget to stop by our various social media sites and give us a like, a thumbs up, a share, and a comment. SUPRS, the Supermodified Ultimate Pavement Racing Series, Supermodified Sim Racing for the right reasons since 2004.